Alright, YouTube, today we're going to be messing with my grandma's Quaker parrot. This thing's vicious, as you can tell. Alright.
No, we're not going to do that.
He did not like the laser light, but we're going to mess with him.
No, I'm scared. No, we're not. Who wants to spend a minute watching a laser light? I put the fishing go play with my rubber.
He absolutely hates this thing.
Love this manga.
Sorry. Here we have my Rottweiler. Best. Look. Well, looks like they're not wanting to play today. But this is my first video. I will be putting random stuff like Modern Warfare videos, and I will stab you with the laser light. Modern Warfare videos and this, that, and the other. Alright, have a good day.